Hi, I'm Matthew Fletcher from the audio specialist HHB Communications here at KitPlus in MediaCity Salford with various broadcast equipment from the range we supply. And we're focusing very much on IP equipment. So we have for a number of years been supplying a lot of audio over IP systems, mainly focused around Dante networks. And more recently we've been involved with supplying the new Dante AV equipment, which adds video to the same 1 gig networks. So on the stand here at KitPlus we have the Bolin PTZ camera, which connects to a standard Dante network and just appear as the same as audio devices, and you just route the video as same as the audio via Dante controller. We also have equipment from Yellowtech. We have their IntelliMix, which has Dante interfacing, and a number of Studio Technologies devices for interfacing intercoms, talkback and presentation stations over Dante networks as well. In addition, we have the Comrex IP portable codec for remote connection back to studio. So very much focused on IP connectivity.